Hello, YouTube world. Today we have 3 Lost Thunder packs, one of them being in Bree's hands right now. And we're going to do some opening. Yahoo! Okay, do you remember the card trick?
Yeah. Do I start
You flip it over.
this way?
Yeah. Alright. Kahili, who I don't know what she does, but these are all new cards to me.
Draw 2 cards and flip a coin. If heads, if you played this Kahili from your hand, put this card into your hand instead of the discard pile. If you have no cards in your deck, then you can't play this card.
Da-da-da-da. Cool. Ooh, Heracross.
Marini.
Yamask! Oh my gosh, my favorite Pokemon.
Really?
No, but I love Yamask. That's tight.
Stunfisk.
We love Stunfisk.
Larvitar.
Very cool.
Litwick!
Yay.
I like how that one is. Not.
Yeah, I like that art.
Yeah. You know what I'm trying to say.
I do. Ooh. That's a cool Electrifier card.
Electivire.
We got something. Ooh! That's a full art Tyranitar. Oh my god. You picked out a good one.
Woo!
Yeah. Good job.
Woo!
Holy crap, that's so cool. We're gonna read that in a bit. Can you show me? Holy. That's so sick. Okay. Good job.
I told you.
Good job. Good job. Alright, let's open up the next pack. Alright, with pack number 2. Let's see if our luck is as good as the first one.
Delibird?
Oh, that's Kent's favorite Pokemon. Get out of here. Say it with
Happy
me.
delivery.
We hate Kent.
We don't hate Kent.
We love you, Kent.
Cascoon. Search your deck for up to 4 in any combination of Celebrate. The Lost Blender. My nails are so ugly.
That's sick.
Pachirisu.
Pachirisu.
Hoppip.
It's a cute card.
Carbink.
Tight. Blitzel's tight.
Blitzel. I like Blitzel.
Me too.
Onyx. I like that art a lot.
Yeah, it's cool.
Little Diglets.
Oh, cool Diglets.
Morlul.
And then, do we have a winner? No.
No.
Steelix. Get outta
You
here.
suck.
Okay, that's so cool. Alright, we're going with the last pack now.
I want the card.
Are you looking at the evil?
Pseudo-Woodo. Oh, Jesus.
That's Joey's mom.
Oh. Counter game. Go-Go. Oh my god, it looks like Willa.
Kinda.
It does.
Yeah. Gombi!
Combi.
Best Pokemon of all time.
That one looks like Willa. It's so cute. Litleo. That was cute.
Yeah.
Cutie Fly. I like this one. Hoppip. Eevee.
Oh.
Mina. Oh, she's shiny.
And what's behind? Ah! Oh, we already got a reverse of you. Boo!
Boo.
Overall, some good pulls. That's so great. We'll upload another video in 2020.